I'm meteorologist Nicole Mitchell with your weather risks for the next couple of days, and we're relatively quiet. One pattern that we're having is the West Coast slightly above average, pretty dry, so not really too much going on here, lots of sunshine, but the whole central portion of the United States, we're running with below average temperatures, and for some places, that's 10 to 20 degrees or even more below average. So that temperature of Dallas, 53 degrees for today. Average high temperature should be in the upper 70s, so that's 25 degrees below average, and that's because of the rain and the cloud cover, the system that we've had over the state causing flood concerns. So that's going to be one of the things that we're monitoring. Now, with all these temperatures below average, the overnight temperatures are going below average as well. So that means, in some cases, for the first time this season, we have some frost and freeze concerns. The lighter blues that you see in states like Kentucky, those are freeze advisories or frost advisories. And then north of that, the purples that go all the way up into Michigan, those are freeze warnings. So if you still have the plants outside, things like that, or even if you're just going to be outside, remember this is the time of year that we start needing more of those layers and to pay attention to the weather when we're outside for any period of time. Now, the other thing that we're going to be watching is that rain. And I mentioned it's already suppressing temperatures as we get to Texas. The core of the rain centered around Texas, but you can see some of this getting into Oklahoma, Arkansas, and chances through the south a little later in the week. It's the southeast that could get a little bit more. But as this continues to add up, it's going to cause some concerns. So here's the 7-day precipitation. Now, for a lot of Texas, this is the next 3 days consistently where we could get some places 3 or 4 inches of rain and then isolated spots even higher than that. So because of this, we're also watching for that flood risk. We already have a number of watches out and we've had warnings from time to time.